Hi, guys, today's video guide is talking about how to back up iPhone on Mac. Alright, creating a backup of your iPhone on Mac is another great option, since iCloud offers only 5 GB of free storage to back up iPhone data, and if iCloud storage is not enough, some data won't be backed up. So to save a full copy of information on the iPhone, we're going to show you how to back up iPhone to Mac or MacBook, and store the backup locally on Mac's hard drive. Instead of relying on a Wi-Fi network for an iCloud backup, you just need to grab a lightning cable to back up your iPhone with your Mac computer. Be sure that your Mac's SSD has enough disk space to save the backup. Let's get started. Okay, step 1, open Finder in macOS Catalina or higher version to back up the iPhone. For those on macOS Mojave or earlier, use iTunes instead. The steps are exactly the same. Alright, I use Finder on my Mac. Step 2, connect your iPhone to your Mac using the lightning cable. If you never use this Mac to back up your iPhone, you'll be prompted to allow the connection. Click Trust in Finder window, and then tap Trust on your iPhone and enter your lock screen passcode. Step 3, locate your iPhone in Finder. When your iPhone is connected to Mac, you will find it under Locations on the left sidebar. Click on it, then choose General tab at the top. Step 4, encrypt your iPhone backup if necessary. Head to the Backup section, then choose Backup all the data on your iPhone to this Mac option. If you need to save your passwords and sensitive personal data when backing up iPhone, for the first time simply check the box next to Encrypt Local Backup, set a new password, and then click Set Password. Your Mac computer will automatically begin backing up iPhone and encrypting it. Don't lose the password, or you'll have no way to recover the backup. If you don't want to create an encrypted backup, leave the box unchecked. Step 5, and the final step is to get Finder to back up your iPhone on the Mac. Click on Backup Now button to start backing up your iPhone. The backup process will take some minutes to finish, which is depending on how much iPhone data you need to back up. You could see the process bar at the bottom, letting you verify how much the backup is going on. Once the backup is done, alright, look under Last Backup to this Mac, and you'll see the date and time of your iPhone backup. By far, you have saved a backup of your iPhone on your Mac. If you need to locate your iPhone backup on the Mac's drive, click Manage Backups. In the pop-up dialog, choose the backup you just made, right-click on it and select Show in Finder. This will redirect you to the default backup folder with your iOS backup inside. Whenever your iPhone is replaced, lost, damaged, or stolen, you can use the backup to restore your data right away. That's all about how to back up your iPhone on Mac using Finder, a full backup of all content and settings. Well, what if you'd like to back up only a set of important data to Mac like photos, videos, text messages, contacts, notes, or whatever? No worry, and you can use iOS Data Backup and Restore software from AppGeeker. It will help you create full backup of iPhone or a selective backup to save specific files you like. We've put the download link in the video description below that you can install it on your Mac or MacBook. Okay, launch the program and connect your iPhone to Mac. On the software interface, click More Tools at the bottom, then choose iOS Data Backup and Restore. Next, to back up your iPhone to your Mac or MacBook, select iOS Data Backup. Now, choose the options between Standard Backup and Encrypted Backup, depending on whether you want to back up your private information, passwords, or activity data. Click the Start button to move on. The next step is to select the types of data you're going to back up. You're given the ability to back up your photos, video, messages and attachments, voicemails, reminders, notes, and more separately. After the selection, hit the Next button to have your data on iPhone backed up to Mac. When the backup has been made, you will get a congratulations window. Now you have an iPhone backup on your Mac, and you can use the iOS Data Restore function at any time in order to access or view the backup file's contents in a readable format, in the event that you lose your device, or it gets damaged. So that's all for today's video. You should know how to back up an iPhone to a Mac or MacBook, and save a safe copy of almost all your device's data and settings locally on computer. Enjoy the video and please give a like and subscribe. Feel free to leave your question in the comments section below. See you next video.